In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles to a LinkedIn video. Whether you're aiming for accessibility or just want to make sure your audience catches every word, subtitles can be a big help. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring your LinkedIn videos are not only visible, but also audible to everyone. Let's get started right at the beginning with posting a new video on LinkedIn. You have the option here to either record directly or select a video from your camera roll. Perhaps you've already got an awesome clip ready to go, or maybe inspiration hits on the spot. Either way, works just fine. Once you've made your selection or recorded your piece, the next part is all about uploading. Now, here's the part where many people might overlook the magic of subtitles. During your upload process, pay close attention and look for an icon or toggle labeled CC, or Add Auto Captions. This is your gateway to effortless, auto-generated subtitles. Selecting this means LinkedIn will automatically generate the subtitles for your video, saving you a ton of manual work later on. Once you've activated this feature, you might encounter a couple of choices regarding how these captions are managed. The default option usually is Add captions as soon as they are generated, which implies that your audience will see captions almost instantly. However, keep in mind they haven't been reviewed for accuracy. Alternatively, there's the option to notify me when captions are ready to review before viewers see them. This can be a crucial step, especially if you want to double-check for any inaccuracies or make needed adjustments. Deciding which path to take really depends on how meticulous you want to be with those captions. Now, after your video has been published, things are slightly different depending if you're on a desktop. While the video with its initial set of auto-generated captions is already live, you have the flexibility to make sure everything is just right. Navigate to your video post and see if the Edit Captions option is available. This function is invaluable for reviewing or correcting those auto-generated captions to ensure they convey exactly what you intended. It's a chance to make any typographical or interpretation adjustments. LinkedIn's automated captions are pretty good, but like any automated system, it's always smart to double-check for precision and context. So there you have it. Adding subtitles to your LinkedIn video doesn't have to be complex. With just a few clicks, you can ensure your message is accessible to a wider audience, creating a more engaging and inclusive viewing experience. Make sure to take advantage of these inbuilt tools the next time you're ready to share your video story on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.